sp నానా. తర్వాత మీకు మెయిన్ గా ఇప్పుడు ఈ విబిటి డయాగ్రామ్ ద్వారా కానీ పర్ఫెక్ట్ జామెట్రీస్ రావు కనుక మెయిన్ గా ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఎవరు మనకి హైబ్రిడైజేషన్ కాన్సెప్ట్. ఎవరు hybridization. So what is the meaning of hybridization? Mixing of the orbitals. Mixing of orbitals. The mixing of orbital is called as hybridization process. ఇప్పుడు మన దగ్గర 1s ఆర్బిటాల్ 2s ఆర్బిటాల్ 2p లా ఉన్నాయిగా, వేరు ఉన్నాయి. బట్ ఇవన్నీ మిక్స్ చేద్దాం మనం. ఇవన్నీ మిక్స్ చేస్తే రిజల్టెంట్ గా వచ్చే న్యూ వాటిని హైబ్రిడ్ ఆర్బిటాల్స్ అంటాం. మిక్సింగ్ ప్రాసెస్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ యాజ్ హైబ్రిడైజేషన్. మిక్సింగ్ ప్రాసెస్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ యాజ్ హైబ్రిడైజేషన్. ఆఫ్టర్ మిక్సింగ్ రిజల్టెంట్ ఆర్బిటాల్స్ ఆర్ కాల్డ్ యాజ్ హైబ్రిడ్ ఆర్బిటాల్. ఆ హైబ్రిడ్ ఆర్బిటాల్ బట్టి మనం మెయిన్ గా స్ట్రక్చర్ ఆఫ్ ది మాలిక్యూల్ ని క్లియర్ గా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయాలి. ఓకేనా? ఏంది ఇంటర్ మిక్సింగ్ ఆఫ్ ఆర్బిటాల్. ఇక్కడ మిక్స్ చేసే ఆర్బిటాల్లో మోర్ ఆర్ లెస్ సేమ్ ఎనర్జీ ఉండాలి. ద ఆర్బిటాల్ ఎనర్జీ మోర్ ఆర్ లెస్ సేమ్. మరి ఒకటి హై ఒకటి లో ఉండొద్దు, ఒకటి హై ఒకటి లో ఉండొద్దు. తర్వాత వాట్ ఎవర్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ ఆర్బిటాల్ యు ఆర్ యాడింగ్, resultant number also same. Before addition number of orbitals, after addition number of orbitals are same. Okay na? Number of orbitals are same. Right? That is called as hybridization process. For example, జాగ్రత్త వినండి. 1s orbital plus 1p orbital we are mixing. Students, జాగ్రత్త వినండి నాన్న. Whenever orbital we are adding here, resultant will get 2 hybrid orbitals. One plus one, resultant will get 2. These orbitals are identical. After addition, you will get identical orbital. The process is called as sp hybridization. Name of the process is called as Nana sp hybridization. One s orbital, one p orbital we are mixing. Once the mixing over, the resultant we are getting are hybrid orbital. And whatever number we are adding, 1 plus 1 we are adding, resultant will get 2. And both are hybrid orbital. These two hybrid orbital, here 1. This is sp hybrid orbital, this is also sp. Clear ga vinal nana? One s orbital, one p orbital we are mixing. After that we are getting 2. Those are called as hybrid orbital. The hybrid orbital names also based on hybridization process. How many you are getting? 2 orbital. Now how will arrange nana? Here this is one hybrid orbital, this is one hybrid orbital. Now the name, this is sp hybrid orbital, this is also sp hybrid orbital. 2. Now both are arranged like this. So these two are arranged on line. That's why the orbital geometry is called as a linear. Now tell me Nana, these two are joined here now. What is the angle here? What is the angle? Ayyo, what is the angle?
180 degrees.
Yeah, half of the 360. That's why your angle is how much? 180. Whenever sp hybridization involved, whenever molecule sp hybridization involved, geometry is what? Linear geometry nana. And your angle how much in between the orbital? 180. So I am discussing mixing process name hybridization process. I am writing different hybridations are possible. What are those? I am writing here. Second one, here 1 s orbital, 2 p orbitals we will add. 1 s orbital, 2 p orbitals we are adding nana. Resultant, the hybridization name is sp2 hybridization. One S and 2p, here very clear. The name sp2 hybridization. Name sp2 hybridization, Nana. Here 1 plus 3. 1 plus 2 we are adding 3, total 3. So these 3 are like this. Here 1 orbital, here 1 orbital, here 1. This is sp2 hybrid orbital. This is also sp2 hybrid orbital. This is also sp2. After hybridization, all orbitals are identical. After hybridization, all hybrid orbital are identical. How many are there? 3. See, one hybrid orbital here, second hybrid orbital here, third hybrid orbital here. Nana, this is sp2 hybrid orbital. This is also sp2 hybrid orbital. This is also sp2 Ra. Now all are arranged what? You join like this. These 3 are arranged like this. This is what? Trigonal geometry. These 3 orbital arranged trigonal planar. What is the angle, Nana? Here angle, 3 angles, 360. Total 360 means each angle how much here? 120, 120, here also 120. That's why in trigonal planar geometry, bond angle, how much? 120. Geometry is what? Trigonal planar geometry. If these 3 are there, I am writing possibilities. sp2 hybrid orbitals are there. This is the next one. Third one, Nana. Here I am mixing one s orbital, 3 p orbital we are mixing. 1 plus 3, 4 we are mixing. One s orbital, 3 p orbital, Nana. The process name sp3 hybridization. Mixing of R, that is called hybridization process name sp3. How many will get? 1 plus 3, 4 will get. We are mixing one s orbital, 3. Initially s orbital, p orbital are different. Initially s orbital, p orbital different. But after addition, we are getting all 4 are identical. Now these all 4 are 4 sp3. All 4 are sp3. Okay, Nana. Now these 4 we are arranging. Here 1 orbital, here 1 orbital, here 1 orbital, here 1. This is what? sp3 hybrid orbital. This is also sp3 hybrid orbital. This is also sp3. This is also sp3. All are sp3. Now you join these. This is what? 4 faces. The name tetrahedron. Okay, Nana. Bond angle how much? 109 degrees 28 minutes. Here degree means here minute. 109 degrees 28 minutes. Depends on geometry I am writing. Next one. Here 1 s orbital, 3p. Don't take 4. మీకు చెప్పాను s only 1, p3 maximum, d5. ఇవే మిక్స్ చేయాలి. 3 over. Then you have to take 1d. Total how many you are mixing? 1 plus 3 plus 1. Total 5, Nana. 5 orbital you are mixing. The process name is called as sp3 dehybridization. sp3 dehybridization. Okay, now resultant you will get 5. All are sp3 dehybrid orbitals. All are sp3 dehybrid orbitals. All are sp3 dehybrid orbital. So these 5 I will arrange. 1 orbital here, second orbital here, third orbital, Nana. So these are arranged trigonal planar. These 3 are. This is sp3 orbital. This is also sp3 dihybrid orbital. This is also 3 over. So one is above the plane, other one is below the plane. Now you join. This is a pyramidal geometry. This is one pyramid. Similar way, you join here. This is one pyramid. Initially trigonal, Nana. Initially trigonal.
అంటే గేమ్ ఆడుతున్న వచ్చి
తర్వాత pyramidal geometry. Above one pyramidal, below one pyramidal. See, Nana, this is a trigonal planar. On this above one pyramid, below one pyramidal. That's why this is a trigonal bipyramidal. Here 5 are there, Nana, clear? 5 orbitals are there, trigonal bipyramidal. In triangle, what is the geometry? 120. Pyramidal means exactly this is a perpendicular to the plane, this plane. That's why 90 degrees. Here pyramid is perpendicular, exactly like this. This is a 90 degrees, triangle 120. Two angles are there here, 120 comma 90. 120 comma 90. Generally we'll write like this, Nana. Central atom here like this. One is above, other one is below. This is 120 degrees. Now this is right angle 90 degrees. Trigonal bipyramidal geometry. Triangle 120. Here perpendicular, that is 90 degrees. Trigonal bipyramidal 2 angle. Right? Now next one s orbital, 3 p orbitals, 2 d orbitals. Total 1 plus 3 plus 2, Nana. How much? 6 we are adding. The process name is sp3d2 hybridization. Name sp3d2 hybridization meaning endi? 1 s orbital, 3 p orbital, 2 d orbital we are mixing. These 3 are we are mixing. Resultant will get 6 hybrid orbital. All are sp3d2 hybrid orbitals. All are equal. Initially s is different from p is different from d. Different orbital. Once the mixing over, all are equal. Once the mixing over, all are identical, all are 6. Okay, na? All 6 are sp3d2 only. Now how will arrange 6? See, Nana, here 1 orbital, here 1 orbital, here 1 orbital, here 1, 4. These 4 are like this, square planar. Angle is how much? 90 degree. Square planar how much? 90 degrees, Nana. 90 plus 90 plus 90 plus 90. All are total 360 over. Here once again orbital 4. Out of 6, 4 are square planar. Now once again I am writing first 4 are square planar. This is a square planar. One is above the plane like this. Other one is below the plane. First 4 are square planar. Here angle is how much? 90 degrees. Now you check. This is a square plane. Okay, na? Now you join here This is one face. You can join here. This is one face. Two faces. You can join here. This is one face. Back side one face. No, this side, front side one face. Front side one face. Front face. Next, back face. A side face. This side face. Now here this is back. Very clear. Back face, front, right side, left side. Here, how many? 4 faces. Above 4. Similar way, below also 4. These are there, Nana. See. This is one face. See. Here one face. 2. Now front is one face. Here this one, Nana, same. First here, this is one face. This is one face. Here one face. Now you join back. This is back face. Here back 4. Here 1, here 2, here 3 front. So here below 4 faces, above 4 faces. That's why this is called as octahedron. Or this is called as square bipyramidal. Eppunana, this is sp3d2 hybridization. sp3d2 means arrangement. First 4 are here. I am writing very clearly, square planar. Next 2 are above and below, octahedron. Or that is only I am writing, for example, A, here X, here X, here X, here X. First 4 are square planar. Square planar. One is above, here X, here X, Nana. This is a square bipyramidal. Square bipyramidal. Or octahedron name. So this is perpendicular, Nana. Exactly, this is perpendicular plane, 90 degrees. Square planar 90 here, total 90 degree. Their angle is how much? 90 degrees total. Once again I am taking one s orbital, 3 p orbital we are mixing, 2 d orbital, total 6 I am mixing. Then the process is called sp3d2 hybridization. Here how many we are getting? 6 hybrid orbital. All are arranged here what? Octahedron geometry. Or octa means 8. Hydron faces are square bipyramidal. Next last one here. One s orbital, 3 p orbital, 3 d orbital I am mixing, Nana. How many? 1 plus 3 plus 3 we are mixing, total 7. The process name sp3d3 hybridization name. Process name sp3d3 hybridization. Okay, na? Now after that how many will get? 7 hybrid orbital. All are identical. All 7 are identical. Before addition, S is different from P, P is different from D. But once the hybridization over, the resultant is called as hybrid orbital. The process is called as hybridization. Now how we'll arrange? First 5 are hybrid orbital, second hybrid orbital, third, fourth, 5 Nana. These 5 are arranged here pentagonal. Very clear, central atom. Pentagonal arrangement. Pentagonal means how much? 72 degree. Once again, I am writing pentagonal. Pentagonal. This is now next here above one hybrid orbital here one. These all are sp3d3 hybrid orbital. All 7 are sp3d3. All 7 are sp3d. This is about hybridization mixing process name. Okay, Nana. Now how will arrange? You can arrange these. You join here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is one pyramid. Pyramid, Nana. Similar way, downside also you'll get one pyramid. This is one pyramid. First 5 are pentagonal. Pentagonal. Next one here, your bottom side pyramidal. Bottom side pyramidal. This is above pyramidal. So total what? First one here pentagonal. This is above the 2 pyramidal. That's why pentagonal bipyramidal. Pentagonal bond angle how much? 72. Bipyramidal perpendicular to the plane 90. So your bond angles are 72 and 90. Okay, Nana. These are the hybridization possibility. Based on this, you can decide the geometry. What? Planar geometry, linear, trigonal planar, tetrahedron, octahedron, pentagonal bipyramidal. Like these are called as geometries. To know the geometry, first you have to know the hybridization process. What is the meaning of hybridization? Mixing of orbital is called as hybridization. Okay. Once again, I will write tabular formula. Here mixing orbitals. Here hybridization name. Okay, no, hybridization. Here hybrid orbitals. Here geometry, shape. Next one bond angle. Bond angle. Okay, na? First one s orbital, one p orbital. The process hybridization name sp hybridization. So number of hybrid orbitals are 2. All are sp. 2 sp. What is the geometry? Linear geometry. Like this here, these are arranged. Here sp, here sp. Linear, here bond angle between 2 orbital 180. Okay, na? I am writing hybridization table. Idea. Next, one s orbital, 2 p orbital you are mixing. 1 plus 2, 3. Then the process is called as sp2 hybridization. Resultant 3 hybrid orbital. All are sp2. 3 hybrid orbitals. All are sp2. Now I will arrange here sp2 year 1, year 1, year 1, 3. So this is a trigonal planar. What is the bond angle, Nana? 120 degrees. Bond angle 120. Kada mixing of orbital. I am doing only mixing of orbital. That's all. I am not doing any new. Similar way, one s orbital, 3 p orbital I am mixing. The process is what? sp3 hybridization. How many will get? 4. 4 sp3 hybrid orbitals. How we will arrange? 1, 2, 3, 4. This is called a tetrahedron. Okay, Nana, jam bond angle 109 degrees 28 minutes. So next hybridization అన్ని ఇచ్చినవే మళ్ళీ ఒక ట్యాబ్లర్ గా రాస్తున్నా. 1 s orbital, 3 p orbital, 1 d orbital. So what is the hybridization name? sp3d hybridization name. Name of the hybridization sp3. How many orbital? 5. All are sp3d. What is the geometry? Year 1, 3. Trigonal planar, year 1, 5. sp3d, sp3d. Okay, now what is the bond angle? 120 plus 120 comma 90 degrees. 2 angles are there. Next one. 1 s orbital, 3 p orbital, 2 d orbitals. The hybridization name sp3d2. So all are 6. All are sp3d2. 6 are how we will arrange? Year 1, year 1, year 1, year 1. 4. First, these 4 are arranged square planar, here above the plane and below the plane. 6. Okay, now this is called as octahedron, or this is called as square bipyramidal. Okay, now bond angle is how much here? 90 degrees. Last one. 1 s orbital, 3 p orbital, 3 d orbital. Then the process name sp3d3. How many? 7 sp3d3 orbital. 7. How we will arrange these 7? 1 orbital, 2nd orbital, 3rd orbital. Now 4th orbital, 5th. Pentagonal. One is above, other one is below. Pentagonal, bipyramidal. Pentagonal bipyramidal. Bond angle 90 degrees and 72. అరే ఏందిరా మాట్లాడడం ఏందిరా క్లాస్ లో? ఒరే ఉడతలు కుందేళ్ళు ఏందిరా నాయన, క్లాస్ రా ఇక. ఎవర్రా ఉడతలు కుందేళ్ళు? సో ఓకే నాన్న, దిస్ ఈజ్ అబౌట్ హైబ్రిడేషన్ ప్రాసెస్ రా. ఏమేమి ఉంటాయంటే మిక్సింగ్ ఆఫ్ ఆర్బిటాల్ చేసి, ఇది జనరల్ ఐడియా. ఇప్పుడు ఇవి మనం మాలిక్యులకు ఎలా అరేంజ్ చేయాలి? ఐసిఎల్ అంటే ఏంది, అమోనియా, CH4 కి PCl5, ఇలా డిఫరెంట్ మాలిక్యుల్ నిన్న రాసుకున్నాం కదా. మరి ఎలా మాలిక్యుల్ ఎలా అప్లై చేయాలి? ఇది జనరల్ ఐడియా. వాట్ ఇస్ ద మీనింగ్ ఆఫ్ హైబ్రిడేషన్? వాట్ ఆర్ ద స్ట్రక్చర్స్ హియర్? మరి గివెన్ మాలిక్యుల్ హ్యావింగ్ విచ్ హైబ్రిడేషన్ ఎట్లా కనుక్కోవాలి? ఓకే, మనం దాన్ని ఎలా ఐడెంటిఫై చేస్తాం? జాగ్రత్త చూసుకోండి. వన్స్ అగైన్ here sp 1 plus 1 sp 2 linear geometry 180, 1 plus 2 sp2 3 trigonal planar 120, 1 plus 3 sp3 4 sp3 tetrahedron bond angle 109-28. 1 plus 3 plus 1 sp3d 5 sp3d pentagonal bipyramidal. Sorry, trigonal bipyramidal. Trigonal bipyramidal. Next one, 1 plus 3 plus 2 5 6 sp3d2 octahedron geometry bond angle 90. 1 plus 3 plus 3 sp3d3 7 sp3d pentagonal bipyramidal. ఇలా పాసిబిలిటీ ఉంటాయి. హైబ్రిడేషన్ పాసిబిలిటీ రాశాను, నేను ఇంకా మాలిక్యులకి వెళ్ళలేదు. ఇప్పుడు వీటిని మనం మాలిక్యులు ఎలా అప్లై చేద్దామని చూడాలి. ఏమంటావు నాన్న? రైట్, ఎలా? వెరీ సింపుల్. హియర్ హైబ్రిడేషన్ ఫర్ central atom. Only for central atom we'll write, not for peripheral atom. So check. So here hybridization means you have to calculate hybridization. Very simple. You have to take number of sigma bonds around the central atom. Number of sigma bonds around central atom. Next one, number of lone pairs on central atom, not all, on central atom. Total you have to calculate. Hybridization means very simple. Sigma bond you have to calculate. Number of lone pairs on central atom you have to calculate. Based on this number you can write. For example, 1 sigma bond, 1 lone pair, total 2. If you calculated, for example, 1 sigma, 1 lone pair on central atom, then total 2, then hybridization is called as sp. What is our answer, Nana? sp. For example, two sigma bond, 0 lone pair, total 2. There also sp hybridization. For example, 3 sigma bond, 0 lone pair, 3. Whenever 3 is there, hybridization is called as sp2 hybridization. గుర్తుంచుకోండి, 2 sigma 1 lone pair. ఇవి ఎలా చేద్దాం? How to calculate sigma lone pair నేను ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను. ఇది ఐడియా. Sigma plus lone pair, total 3, then hybridization sp2. Okay, Nana? Similar way, 4 sigma bond, 0 lone pair, total 4. Whenever total 4 is there, then hybridization sp3. 4 means 1 sp3. Or 3 sigma bond, 1 lone pair, 4. 3 plus 1, 4. Here also hybridization what? sp3. Otherwise 2 sigma bond, 2 lone pair, Nana, total 4. Here also hybridization sp3. Okay, na? 1 sigma bond, 3 lone pairs, Nana, total 4. Here the possibility I am explaining. ఇంకా మాలిక్యూల్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ తీసుకోలేదు. దీస్ ఆర్ ద ఐడియా. ఎలా చేయాలంటే ఇలా వస్తే చేయాలని చెప్తున్నా. ఆర్ 5 sigma bond, 0 lone pair, total 5. Then hybridization is what? sp3d. 4 sigma bond, 1 lone pair, Nana, total 5. Again hybridization sp3d. 3 sigma bond, 2 lone pair, total 5. Again hybridization sp3d. Or 2 sigma 3 lone pair, total 5. Again hybridization sp3d. Okay na? ఇలా మీరు నెంబర్ 6 sigma bond, 0 lone pair, 6 hybridization sp3d2. ఇలా మీ ఇష్టం. 5 sigma 1 lone pair, 6 again sp2. 7 sigma 0 lone pair, 7 hybridization sp3d3. ఇలా హైబ్రిడేషన్ కావాలంటే మీరు ఏం చేయాలి నాన్న? ఏం చేయాలి? సెంట్రల్ ఆటం పైన ఉన్న సిగ్మా బాండ్స్ ఎన్ని? సెంట్రల్ ఆటం, నాట్ టోటల్. सेंट्रल आटम के